Most people choose the wrong gaming reward app because they only look at flashy ads and fake earning screenshots. But here's the truth no one tells you. Giraffe and Mistplay work very differently, and depending on your phone, country and gaming style, one can pay much better than the other. In this video I'll break down Giraffe versus Mistplay in a simple way. We'll compare payouts, game selection, earning speed, cash out options, and which app is actually worth your time in 2026. Let's start with the biggest difference immediately. Mistplay is mainly designed for Android users and focuses heavily on loyalty progression. The longer you play certain games, the more units you earn. Giraffe also rewards gameplay, but it pushes faster beginner rewards and simpler earning systems. For example, Jake tested both apps for 1 week. On Mistplay, he earned steadily over time by sticking to a few games consistently. On Giraffe, he reached his first payout faster because the beginner bonuses were more aggressive. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mistplay usually has better long-term structure for active gamers. Giraffe often feels faster for casual users who just want quick rewards without grinding one game forever. But here's the problem. Many users compare these apps unfairly. They spend 10 minutes on one app and expect instant money. That's not how reward gaming works. Both platforms reward consistency and smart game selection. Let's talk about payouts. Mistplay commonly offers gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, and Visa rewards. Giraffe also supports gift cards and PayPal options in some regions. The exact rewards can change depending on your country. This is where most people fail. They ignore the payout thresholds before starting. Alex once spent days earning points on a gaming app only to realize the minimum cash out was higher than expected. Always check the reward section first so you know your target. In a minute, I'll show you which app is better for different types of users. But first, let's talk about earning speed. Giraffe usually gives faster early rewards through new game bonuses and milestone payouts. Mistplay tends to slow start but becomes more consistent if you keep leveling up games over time. Now let's make this simple. If you like testing lots of games quickly and want faster beginner payouts, Giraffe may feel better. If you enjoy longer gaming sessions and building consistent rewards gradually, Mistplay is often the stronger option. Another important factor is game variety. Mistplay usually has a larger gaming library with more categories. Giraffe keeps things simpler and more beginner-friendly. So which one wins? Honestly, it depends on your goal. Quick rewards and easy progression usually favor Giraffe. Long-term consistent gaming rewards often favor Mistplay. The smartest users actually combine both apps and rotate offers depending on which platform has better multipliers at the time. If this comparison helped you decide between Giraffe and Mistplay, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which app has paid you more so far.